So guys, ito naman guys, task building draw 1.35. So arc tool yung gamitin nito guys, mga silo to guys. Before, after. So this is combination of draw tool S and arc tool, letter G. Switch between those two tools to get the oval shape of this building. Okay. Hindi pa ako nag-download guys. Sorry. Wait lang guys ha. Pero may ano nito guys, 7 guys. 7 ano to guys na perfect circle 7. So pwede rin ganyan guys, pero kasi sabi ng trainer is ano siya, para oval shape siya. So ganito guys, G, then S, then G, then space. Ganyan lang guys, G, S, G, space. Okay na guys, ganyan lang. Submit. Thank you.